This video series has thrown a lot of information at you all at once, and there's still more to learn. Unfortunately, that's the nature of the beast. Internet marketing is a huge subject, and you will never have learned everything. Moreover, it's also a subject that is continually changing and evolving, so you'll never know absolutely everything that there is to know. But what this series has hopefully done is to A. Give you a solid foundation of knowledge to get started, and B. Help you to make some smart decisions and avoid some of the biggest mistakes that new marketers make. The biggest lesson I want you to take home from all this is that you should work smart, not hard. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to be putting out a load of dross, though, far from it. The key to getting easy wins is to create things people actually want to see and want to share. Content Google wants its users to find, and content that will build trust and authority with your followers. This means writing about subjects you're passionate about, and it means bringing something genuinely different and unique to the table, and it means creating a stunning website with glorious images and a strong brand. Good SEO and good marketing means telling amazing stories and creating amazing content. And I wish you every success.